Hey, BK Stocks Trader. So we're looking at Cisco System. We went over this a little bit in our live trading session just this past Tuesday, and I want to show you something really quickly here. You know, we always start on the higher time frame, whether the daily or the weekly. It doesn't matter as long as you can see structure, and I can see structure on the daily. So what I'm seeing is my high right here, my low, my lower high, lower low, lower high. So when we have that sequence, we're in a downtrend. I'm going to connect my peak, connect my second, and drill it on down here. And so we have our lower high here, but guess what? We failed to make a lower low. This right here gives us an indication that we are reversing to an uptrend. The very most important thing that we want to do is find our key levels. You'll often find it when you identify these highs, low, lower high, lower low sequence, right? And then the opposite for an uptrend. So once you identify that, if you can draw a line straight across, you might find reversal patterns. So I'm going to find this low here and draw straight across from where price is currently at. This is one way to find your levels. I can even do the same thing here, and I can duplicate and clone this and draw to this previous lower high right here. Now, that being said, I'm going to extend this here, even though we're no longer in a downtrend, and I want you to see this here. Let's get another trend line, drag it from the lows, the lower low, and do it this way because we're possibly in a trend reversal. Now, this here tells us that this is the next reversal point because this was a previous low. Now this is a high in an uptrend. Remember, in an uptrend, we have a low, we have a high, a higher low, and a higher high. So this is our higher high in an uptrend, but in our downtrend, this was our low. And oftentimes you'll start to see a reverse at this area. So you can short sell this back to this previous lower high here, right here, or this is will be considered a high in our uptrend. So you can sell this here down to this area, and we may continue to see higher highs, higher lows, retesting this area, higher highs, higher lows. This is the price action channel strategy that we see here oftentimes. And even if you didn't draw a trend line, it is completely fine as long as you can identify these levels here. The only time you'll start drilling down is when your price or current price is at the level that you're looking to execute the trade. For example, this here is the current price. It is at the level I'm looking to sell at. So now I want to drill down and start seeing if I can find patterns. And I can see patterns here. And now you can see how this pattern correlates with this previous structure here. So now I'm looking to possibly sell at this area down to this zone here, and it will be close to my trend line here where you absolutely want to execute the trade. Let's go ahead and throw in a Bollinger Band on 1 hour. Let's see if there's confluence there. If I delete and clear all this stuff up, you will see how my Bollinger Band is peaking right at this zone here. You can sell it to this trend line or to this level here, or just temporarily here for a short-term scalp trade. So there's many options. Guys, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I just wanted to show this out to you guys. And guys, whenever you are trading or given an analysis inside of our Discord, be sure to let us know which strategy you're using. That will be helpful to me and to your peers. God bless you.